Need computer certification for your job promotion or applying for any government or private job? So here you can apply for government approved and verifiable digital and hard copy certificate from eknowledge education. It's available for many courses, mainly software courses, PGDCA, DCA, Tally, Photoshop, Office automation, language typing and many more things. Okay, so why we are waiting? If you need a digital government approved verifiable ISO 9001:2015 certified certification, then apply for it. What you get in this package? In this package you will get, most importantly, the online course from the international educational platform, that is Udemy. Okay, an online course from Udemy. And next, digital certificate and mark sheet, also hard copy through Indian Post to your home. Okay, so what is the basic things you have to do? You have to apply for this course by mailing your details, that is your Aadhar Card or any ID. Next, your educational certificates, your name completely in block letters, mother's name, father's name, your date of birth and completely postal address. Okay, to the mail ID info@eknowledge.in, eknowledge.in. Okay, it's just scrolling. Then you have to pay for PGDCA, you have to pay 1600. Okay, for DCA it's 1100 and the other courses fee you will pay accordingly in time to time. Okay, so why we are waiting? Just apply for the government approved PGDCA or DCA certification. Okay, and you can apply it through mail or WhatsApp. You can send me WhatsApp by the number 9776622726. Okay, we'll meet here. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and wish you a happy new year 2023. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.